Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the Photoshop tutorial for beginners. So first up here, open up your Photoshop and here just have to follow these custom settings. So for example, here on custom settings, you want to go here on the preset details. Make sure that you have these settings. The width is 1800, the height is 1354, and then the resolution is 300, and then the background color must be white. Once done, click on create button. Then you will now go to this page. First up, we need to add an image. So go to your documents, go to download, drag and drop the image right here. And then you can just drag the corners to resize the image. Now click on check if you're done. And then go to layers. And then from here, you just need to choose the image and then right click and then convert to smart objects. So here, as you can see. So click on convert to smart object right there at the top. And then you want to go and press Ctrl J on your keyboard. And then as you can see, we have the copy. So we have to hide the first image for now. And then once done, you can now select the rectangle tool. And then you just have to create this one. So use this color black, and create this rectangle black color like this. Then you can basically drag the corners or these dots to resize it. Right? And then once done, go to the filter tab right there at the top. And then select on blur. And then go to Gaussian blur. And the radius will be 7 pixels. Click OK. And then select the image again. And choose the hue and saturation adjustments layer. So you'll find it right here at the bottom. So click on this one. And then here you just have to follow the settings. Saturation will be -100, and then the lightness is -80. There you go. Once done, go back to the layer. And then here, go to filter, select on blur, select Gaussian blur, and reduce around 3 pixels. Click OK. Then what we can do next is click on the text tool. And then here, once you click on the text tool, select the font style and search for Hayton Weller. Type H on your keyboard and you will find the font style. And then you can type here 1. And you can just adjust the font size right here. And then you can realign this one. You can drag and realign it to the correct position that you want. So basically, and then once done, you just have to click on the text layer. And then right there, you can now right click and then click on these blending options. And then go to the outer glow. And then from here, follow the settings. So go to opacity, change it into, so select screen and then the opacity, change into 63. And then go to the elements. And then here you want to select this size to 43. And then go to quality. Under quality, go to the range 50. Once done, click OK. Again, right click, and then go to inner glow, change the blend mode to screen, and then the color is white, opacity is 40, and then the element size will be 250, and then the quality range is 50. Once done, click on the OK button at the top right. Next, go to bevel and emboss, and here go to structure, change the technique into smooth. The depth is 303, then the size is 3, soften is 3. Go to the shading area, angle is 115, altitude is 0, highlight opacity is 68, then the shadow opacity is 32. Once done, click on the OK button. There you go. And then unhide the top layer. And then here, right click. Click on this create clipping mask. There you go. And then go to the black rectangle layer. And then create a new layer. Click on the plus icon and name this as light. And then you have to choose the polygonal lasso tool right over here. And then create a triangle-like shape under the number 1 element. So just like this. So follow this instruction here. Right? Going to the left and then going to that bottom. Double click. There you go. And then here, you want to go and choose gradient tool. And then select on basics. Choose the second one here. Then drag from here. Or make sure the foreground is white. Then drag from top to the bottom. Just like this. There you have it. And then Control D to deselect. And then here, go to filter. And then select on blur. And then select Gaussian blur. And reduce it to 6 pixels. Now let's go to another image. Now from here, we want to go and select on the select tab right there at the top. And then just have to choose subject. And then once you've done, you just have to select the element on this page. Now Control C to copy, then go back to the main document, and then Control V to paste. There you go. And then drag this layer on top of all layers. Now Control T to your keyboard, and then right click, or you can readjust this one like this. Basically, you can drag the corners, and then you can drag right over here. There you go. And once done, click again this one. Control T, and then again, right, drag again this one at the middle part. And then once done, you can name this as man. Choose the layer and Control T, and then right click, and then select the blending options. And then go to color overlay from here, and then here you just have to choose the black color, then click OK. Now going to the filter, so click on X to close this one, and then going to filter, then select on blur, select Gaussian blur, change it to 1 pixel. and then click OK. Select this man layer. Then you just have to Ctrl J to duplicate this one. And make sure that the main document will put at the top of the copied layer. Then select the copied layer. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard. So click OK. And then here, right click. And then click on Flip Vertical. And adjust this one. Adjust the position and then resize like a shadow. So just like this. Alright, and then right click. Then choose perspective. Adjust the corner here to wide it. And then right over here. And then right click again. Scale. You can drag here. Again, right click, go back to perspective. Just like this. So there you go. So we have created this shadow. And then add a mask. Now choose a gradient tool right here at the left side. And then make sure the foreground is white. And then just have to drag from the bottom going up. And finally, you can add text to your image. So that's how you basically create this photo manipulation with this tutorial for beginners. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.